So Ryan Fasan here with Tile Spain once again on the last day of coverings, and we're talking to all the manufacturers. Today I'm here with my good friend Vicente from Decocer, and we're going to talk small formats today. So Vicente, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ryan. It's always a pleasure.
Small format, double fired glazed wall tile is my favorite thing, and the heart and soul of the Spanish industry.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing here at Decocer? I know that this is one of the kind of unique brands that really takes trends and pushes them forward, and does a unique approach to the U.S. market. Maybe talk about that a little bit first.
Yeah. So basically, what we are is we are a factory, and we are specialized to produce like bespoke tile and custom tile for factories and big distributors here in the U.S. So at the end, what we have is we have the knowledge of the production, and our customer has the knowledge of the market. So basically, what we try to do is they suggest any colors, sizes, finishes, and we adapt and we do like a custom product. So basically, the customer, and the client is always in the center.
So it's the client's name and branding that's on the boxes.
Everything.
For the most part. Decocer is the magician behind the scenes.
That's it. It's just the factory. We are not interested at all. So we know about production, and it is what we do.
And you do know about production.
Yes, very
incredibly well.
Yeah.
So one of the trends that we're seeing a lot this year at the show is neutral colors are not just beige and gray anymore. It's expanded to encompass a broad range of tinted hues.
Yes.
And Decocer has never been afraid of color.
No, never. As you can see on the wall, we are trying to push about new colors, but always trying to do like a successful collection, As you mentioned, grays are still on the market, are very important, such as white, whatever, but it's true that the warm colors, inspiring the nature, this kind of cotton look, is doing very, very well for us. Just in case, for example, we have here a couple of examples, so we can move from the warm colors, to the traditional whites and gray. But it's true that one, it doesn't care if it's for floor or wall, it's doing very well.
Correct.
Yeah.
So you're seeing a rise in traditional earth tones.
Yes.
Like classic cotos and the color of natural clay.
Of natural clay. I don't know if maybe because they look down or whatever, but we are doing very well on that one.
It kind of fits really well with the organic raw trend that people are really drawn to. Nature, bringing nature into their space.
Into the space, that's true. Completely agree with you. Yeah.
Now, you've showed us a bunch of flat tiles. We've got a bunch of solid glaze. I know Decocer does a lot in digital as well. And there's been a big boom in technology in digital. How are you applying that in your
so we are trying always to be like one step ahead, like a lot of factories here in Spain, but investment in technology, investment in investigation, I think that is very important, in order to offer the best product and technology, and at the same time it helps us to save a lot of money in production, So nowadays it's very cool, all the grain style that you can apply, all the different effects. So it gives us, especially for us, the possibility to do like a custom tile for big distributors or even for some commercial projects in the family, residential, hospitality, to put like your kind of brand of name that that a lot of architects like to have like this thing is,
No, and this piece in particular is really important because it does a lot of things that we're seeing in terms of new capabilities. It's a matte glaze.
The matte glaze and the glossy.
With volume also.
With volume. So like you mentioned, maybe this on the past you need to invest in a new punch. Nowadays the flexibility and opportunities are huge. Yeah. Now,
this may be a little technical, but me, I'm a bit of a tile nerd.
Yeah, I know.
That looks like glaze. You're not printing digital glaze. What are you doing there? Is that granilla?
Is this granilla?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're printing a glue, and then the granilla is adding
adding on the glue, and it's sticking the glue, and then when the tile goes after the glue, there is a machine that is absorbing the rest of the granilla. So it's stick here, and when the piece passes through the kiln, reacts and gives you this kind of volume, this kind of effects. And gloss.
Yeah.
And you have granilla in gloss, but you have granilla in matte as well.
So it's important for everyone.
It's important.
Everyone to know though, you're using a glue, but the kiln is so hot, the glue burns off completely. It's just the granilla that's left.
It's the granilla. Yeah.
So and granilla, for those that don't know, is glass.
It's basically
like a fine glass powder?
Yes, it's kind of powder. And you can apply even white in porcelain, but you have as well in ceramic, okay? You can apply and give like kind of matte, glossy, and give some structure as well.
So this one almost has like a water effect to it.
That's it, a kind of industrial look, so yeah, it's amazing. I mean,
so how many different effects? So that's one of the things that I think is very new to the industry. Just in the past couple of years, we used to only be able to maybe use one effect. How many is Decocer working with in your production lines?
Nowadays, I mean, we have several. We have kind of, like I mentioned, grains in matte and glossy, okay? We have white ink, we have injecting inks, different injecting, so yeah, there are a lot.
So your creative potential is so much
huge.
expanded.
It's huge. We are investing as well more in technicians, in new design department, so yeah, always trying to offer something exclusive, something new, and something what I think that is very important, value added. Nowadays it's not just to talk about a plain glossy tile, white, no. You have to give more value to the product.
Yeah, because anything can print digitally, but using all of the power of glaze is unique to ceramics.
That's it.
And with that, especially unique to double fire ceramics that you guys specialize in.
I mean, we are doing like single.
Oh, you're doing single?
Yeah, we are single now.
Okay.
So the best is to try to replicate like a really nice material in a single fire.
And why is that the best?
Yeah?
Why is
because
that?
you are saving money. I mean, you are trying.
And resources, right?
And resources as well. So yeah.
Are you still seeing a lot of preference for classic glaze?
Yes, I mean at the end, what is giving you the volume, okay, is still like a palette color, commodity color such as white. Obviously, it's a maybe 65% of the sales, okay, but then grays that I mentioned, or the warm colors are doing very strong.
Supplementing it with some of the decoratives and some of the other colors really helps.
In order to give some accent world as well, so yeah.
Vicente, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, it's always a pleasure. Okay?